Hey everybody, this is Justin Roner from Agriscaping.com. So it's another Tasty Tuesday, and I wanted to share with you a cool little treat that we have in this garden. This is actually one of our client accounts out here in Queen Creek, and we've got a special little plant that we have gracing the sides of their subterranean garden. So underneath their trampoline garden, we have this beautiful little plant, and it's on both sides, kind of help make sure that the kids don't go down the secret entrance, which is right there. So you can kind of see down into there. It looks like this crazy cave of wonders. But these two plants on the side are called Australian finger limes. And you can see a couple of them that are kind of growing up here. I've got one in my hand right now. And you can kind of see what's growing, what's inside of this little thing. Let's see if I can get you can kind of see in there. We call this the caviar of the citrus world. You see how if I'm rolling it in my fingers there, the beads inside actually come out. It's got a nice little purple hue. And that's when you know that they're really ripe. Is that both the skin on the outside is purple, almost even a red. You can see the one in my hand there. It's almost a bright red color. And then all this beads right there, it's got the wonderful, one of the most wonderful lime flavors that exist in the citrus world. Literally the caviar of the citrus world. If you haven't tried one of these, see if you can find one. Prices range quite variably. Up to $1 a piece is really what we've seen out there, and even a little bit more. I know once we start sharing with people, they're willing to pay almost anything to try to get a hold of one of these little guys. So, Australian finger lime is the Tasty Tuesday plant of the day. You can see them growing right here. Wonderful plant. If you put them in the right microclimate, they'll grow for you year round. You won't even have to cover them as long as you got them in the right microclimate. So for those that are having a lot of freeze issues and stuff like that, just know, in the right microclimate, Agriscaping teaches it, you won't even have to cover these things. So, good luck for all of you guys today and this evening, as it might freeze in some parts of Arizona and other areas. We were colder than New York, I guess, over the last couple weeks. Thankfully, we've come out of that freeze, and now we're able to enjoy our Australian finger limes. See you next time.